Hi everybody, and welcome back to my studio. Today, I'm going to teach you how to draw a turkey character. So grab some paper and something to draw with, and let's get started. Okay, we're going to come over here and we're going to draw in the center of our paper. So make sure you give yourself some space. We're going to start with the neck. A line coming up and curve around and stop. We want to have some space for the beak. So we'll come out, back in, and then come down for the other side of the neck. Let's do this part of the turkey right here, part that hangs down, and then a little smile off the beak. Let's give the turkey some eyes. Circle right there, another one right there, and some lines underneath. We'll fill in the pupils just like that with some eyebrows. Now let's keep going down to the body. So we'll start from this side of the neck and go around and stop right there. We're gonna come back on this side and go up for the back and down around and close that off. That looks really good. Let's add the tail now. So we'll come in the back and draw these rounded shapes for tail feathers. Put another one right over here and one more right there. That's looking good. Perfect. Now let's do a straight line inside the body of the turkey and some jagged lines like this, and finish with a rounded line, and that's the wing. Next, let's give the turkey some legs. So we're going to draw 4 straight lines like that off the bottom. Then a few jagged lines for the feet, some going this direction, and there we have the feet of the turkey. Let's give our turkey some details for feathers. Just around the body, maybe a few on the wing, and then a few little more details, some dots and lines. Up here on the tail feathers. And there we have a turkey character. Yay! You did a really good job following along with me today. I hope you'll come back soon and draw more characters with me. Bye!
If you haven't yet, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Also, visit YayBubbaDraws.com and sign up for my newsletter. There, you will be able to download free coloring books, hear about awesome art challenges, and win prizes. See you next time. Bye!